Good morning to you all. Children, today I am going to discuss with you the topic which is very important, pandemic COVID-19. First of all, I'll take over the measures of the lockdown that has been taken or announced to contain the spread of coronavirus. India's success in arresting COVID-19 is measured on 4 parameters. इसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि लॉकडाउन क्यों किया गया, what were the reasons, what were the objectives behind the lockdown. The first one is flattening the curve to ensure that the number of cases that require hospitalization stay below the capacity of the healthcare system to minimize the number of preventable deaths. सेकेंड हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव था वो ये था कि जितने भी हमारे न्यू केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं and that is we have to reduce them and turn the active cases line around. Third objective was containing the disease, preventing spread to newer districts and rural areas. फोर्थ जो एम थी उसके पीछे, और हम कह सकते हैं कि लॉकडाउन का जो फोर्थ पैरामीटर था वो ये था, यूज़ ऑफ लॉकडाउन टू इम्प्रूव हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम्स कैपेसिटी. तो ये 4 जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स थे हमारे, इनको अचीव करना था हमें. इन सब के लिए हमें लॉकडाउन 1 by 1 करने पड़े थे. ऑन 24th March, when India went into strict lockdown in response to the pandemic of COVID-19, there were only 519 confirmed cases across the country. On 16th May, 53 days after the nationwide lockdown was imposed, India had 85,950 confirmed cases. In this period, the country has gone through lockdown 1, that is from 25th March to 14th April, lockdown 2, 15th March to 3rd May, lockdown 3, 4th May to 17th May, and is in lockdown 4th from 18th May to 31st May. So far, India has seen a multiple times increase in cases despite the extended periods of lockdowns. बहुत सारे cases हमारे बढ़ गए उस बीच में. During the lockdowns, we could be partially successful in flattening the curve. अब जब हमने लॉकडाउन किया तो जो हमारे 4 पैरामीटर्स थे उसमें देखिए हमने क्या क्या पाया. हमने थोड़ा सा हम अपने कर्व को फ्लैट कर पाए, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. We could reduce the number of new cases after the lockdown, before unlock 1. We could find a very little success in third parameter, that is in containing the disease, preventing spread to newer districts and rural areas. उसमें अभी भी फैलता चला गया और ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है. We got almost 100% success in improving our healthcare systems capacity during this period. ज़्यादातर हमें जो तैयारियां करनी थी, हमारे पास बेड नहीं थे, वेंटिलेटर्स नहीं थे, टेस्टिंग किट्स नहीं थी, उनकी हमने ऑलमोस्ट तैयारियां इस बीच कर